Now I'll just teach you. I hope you are question number 2, all the question, and question number 3, all the question you are not having any difficulty, right? But I'll just show you once again question number 3 ka fourth one. See the method, by the method where you have the interchanging of the coefficient. So we are going to have, say here, 4x plus y is equal to 34 and x plus 4y is equal to 16. The normal method with which we are doing will be applicable, no problem. But we can do it by this method also. Okay, so what you do, you will just observe coefficient, इसका x का coefficient, x का y का coefficient है. In a similar manner, the coefficient of y here becomes the coefficient of x in the other equation. So it is like interchanging part, right? When you have an interchanging part, you have to, the method says you have to add ones and you have to subtract one. So this becomes your equation number 1, this becomes equation number 2. So we will write down adding equation 1 and 2, and we will be doing subtract equation 2 from 1. Okay. So once we will do subtraction, once we will do addition. So addition will, what will come? 4x plus y equal to 34 and x plus 4y equal to 16. Subtract 2 from 1, तो from के बाद में 1 है तो 1 ऊपर आएगा. 4x plus y equal to 34 and x plus 4y is equal to 16. As it is a subtraction, this is addition. Addition में कोई problem नहीं, subtraction में we are going to change the sign, right? So once you do it, this will become 5x plus 5y is equal to 50. So you can just take 5 in common in both. So you will be left with x plus y is equal to 10. Give this as a equation number 3. Now you come here. 4x minus x. It is a subtraction, so we will hide the middle term. Middle term, whatever the sign is there, that sign we are going to hide. So 4x minus x, so it will become 3x. Now plus y minus 4y. So 1 minus 4 is minus 3. And here 34 minus 16 you do 8. No, 18. Right? You have 3x minus 3y equal to 18. So you can take 3 common. X minus y is equal to 3 into 6. 3 got cancelled. X minus y is equal to 6. This becomes your equation number 4. तो always whenever you will get the equation ना, आपको एक equation x plus y में मिलेगा, एक equation x minus y में मिलेगा. When such thing is there, you have to simply add this to equation. Okay? So adding equation 3 and 4. Adding equation 3 and 4. What you will have? Add it. X plus y equal to 10 and x minus y is equal to 6. Add. Please put a addition sign. So x plus x 2x. Y और minus y cancel हो गया. Okay. So you have to just cancel it. 10 plus 6 is 16. So what will be value of x? X will be 8. You can write directly, no problem. 16 upon 2 लिख के करना है तो भी चलेगा. और डायरेक्टली लिख दोगे तो भी चलेगा. I write down 16 upon 2. So I got the value of x as 8. Right? Once you get the value of x as 8, we can do further. What will be done? Put x is equal to 8 in equation. Now we can take smaller equation 3 and 4. 1 और 2 में भी रख सकते हैं, नो प्रॉब्लम, बट दिस इज स्मॉलर ना, सो आई विल यूज आइदर दिस और दिस. सो इक्वेशन 3 लेट मी टेक. So x plus y equal to 10. So 8 plus y equal to 10. So y is equal to 10 minus 8. So y is equal to 2. So 8 and 2 is the solution of given equation, simultaneous equation. Okay. Is this method clear to everyone? So this is something new method and it is not applicable to all. It is applicable to the sums where the coefficients are interchanged. So where the coefficients are interchanged, there only you are going to use this method, and that also it is your choice. Okay children, it is completely your choice. I have given you method. आपकी मेथड से कल किया होगा तो उसमें भी सेम ही आंसर आया. जस्ट चेक इट एंड टेल मी. Hey, I am audible or not? So is it giving the same answer? The method which you used yesterday in the homework and this method may be different, but the answer is same or not?
Yes, ma'am.
So this is another way. So I request you to write down this method, okay, so that you will remember. Sometimes it will be useful to you. In some multiple choice or sometimes when they ask you x minus y or x plus y, definitely we will be doing this type of thing. So please make a note of this. A new method heading करके कर सकते हो. And children, after this we are going to solve question number 4. वहाँ पर कहाँ कुछ न कुछ fraction में either the variable or the coefficient, either of the thing is in denominator. So that let us do it. So I will be solving, but I will not solve full. I will solve till you get a common equation, and then solving of equation is a homework part for you. Okay? So something now you have to do it for the homework. Normally entire problem set is in homework, but I would like to do few sums with you. Not entire, little part. So now the next question, question number 4. Now children, x upon 3 plus y upon 4 is equal to 4 and x upon 2 minus y upon 4 is equal to 1. These are the two equations, children. Now you observe. First, no, I am writing all the three questions. I will tell you the difference between it and how the method varies. ठीक है? So I will just write down the question and you will follow the things. चलो यहाँ पे क्या है, x और y दोनों के कोएफिशिएंट फ्रैक्शन है, right? Now second question, x upon 3 plus y upon 5y is equal to 13 and 2x plus y upon 2 is 19. यहाँ पे क्या है, इसका x कोएफिशिएंट और इसका y कोएफिशिएंट, दे आर इन फ्रैक्शन, बट अल्टीमेटली कोएफिशिएंट फ्रैक्शन में है दोनों के. यहाँ पे दोनों के दोनों कोएफिशिएंट फ्रैक्शन है. यहाँ पे कोई भी एक फ्रैक्शन मीन्स कोएफिशिएंट फ्रैक्शन में है. एंड देन थर्ड क्वेश्चन is 2 upon x plus 3 upon y is equal to 13 and 5 upon x minus 4 upon y is equal to minus 2. अगर ये ऐसा है ना बेटा, see here the coefficient is not in the denominator, variable is in the denominator, and when the variable is in the denominator means इसका पावर क्या हो जाएगा, 2 into x raised to minus 1. तो ये लीनियर इक्वेशन ही नहीं हुआ. This doesn't become the linear equation in one variable. Then how come this question is in this chapter? Because chapter says that is a linear equation in one variable. So they done some mistake. What is it? So I will be discussing. It is very interesting to know about this part. Okay, but let me discuss. ये दोनों तो almost same है, so I will be just coming to the simpler part and then I will be leaving it to you. Okay, but this is something interesting I will be discussing. Yes?
Miss, can you explain again?
What is the difference in these three questions? That part?
Yes, miss.
See, here x is in the numerator. Here x is in the numerator. But here x is in the denominator. Here you will see the coefficients are fraction. वेरिएबल के साथ में क्या होता है? नंबर्स होते हैं, उसको क्या बोलते हैं? कोएफिशिएंट्स. सो हियर द कोएफिशिएंट्स आर इन फ्रैक्शन. हियर कोएफिशिएंट इज इन फ्रैक्शन. यहाँ पे कोएफिशिएंट फ्रैक्शन में नहीं है, ये टू न्यूमरेटर में ही है, वो अपॉन में नहीं है. सो दिस पर्टिकुलर क्वेश्चन इज डिफरेंट फ्रॉम फर्स्ट एंड सेकेंड क्वेश्चन. गॉट द डिफरेंस? Again I will come to third question and that time we will have a little more discussion, but I have just shown you the major difference in the sum. एक बार sum को देखने पे हमको जो मालूम पड़ना चाहिए ना, that I am just showing you. Here the coefficients are fraction and here the variable came in the fraction part in the denominator. So that is the major difference. So children, I will solve the first question. I am warning you, I will not be solving full. I will just introduce the method. It's a problem set. It is meant for you to do. Okay. So what to do it when both the coefficients are fraction? You take the LCM of both. 3 और 4 का LCM होता है 12. Right. So 3 4s are 12. Correct. So multiply इक्वेशन 1 कर दो, ये इक्वेशन 2 कर दो. 1/12. ये 3 4 12 लिखने की जरूरत नहीं है, बट फॉर अंडरस्टैंडिंग अभी आप ये लिखो. ओके, दिस इज फॉर योर रेफरेंस. Why we have to multiply by 12? Because 3 4s are 12. So 12 से multiply करना है. And please observe the way I am doing the multiplication, because many children make mistake in doing the multiplication. So you have 12x upon 3 plus 12y upon 4. 12 into 4. हर एक टर्म को 12 से multiply करो. Clear this much? Anyone would like to ask anything here? Okay. So each term has to be multiplied by 12, and after you multiply, children, see if cancellation is there. Definitely cancellation will be there, and that you have to do. 3 4s are 4 3s are. ऊपर नीचे cancellation होगा, यहाँ से ऐसे नहीं, because in between plus sign is there. हाँ, ऊपर नीचे ही कैंसलेशन करना है. ऊपर नीचे खुद का ही न्यूमरेटर, खुद का ही डिनोमिनेटर. एंड व्हाट यू विल गेट? 4x plus 3y. 12 4s are 48. So this becomes your equation number 3. Followed? And now see the other equation. सेकेंड इक्वेशन में what is the LCM of 2 and 4? 4. So I have to multiply the equation LCM of here also LCM part. LCM of 3 and 4 is 3 into 4 12, because they are nothing having common. But here in 2 and 4 2 is common, so LCM of 2 and 4 is 4. So multiply equation
This
4. Yes,
your video is paused.
it is not positive. It must be a network problem from your side, child. It may be a network problem from your side. Huh? I'm using it. That is the reason I'm using two mobiles, so I come to know even if the video is paused. So multiply equation number 2 by 4. By 4 मैं सब मेरे को LCM नहीं आता तो मैं क्या करूँ? 2 4 से 8 कर सकते हो? हाँ कर सकते हो, नो प्रॉब्लम चिल्ड्रन. मिस LCM नहीं आता लेकिन हमको इधर तुमने कैसे किया 3 4 था तो जब मैं 2 4 कर सकती हूँ, कर सकते हो, कर सकते हो, नो प्रॉब्लम. यू आर गोइंग टू गेट द सेम आंसर. ओके, सो लेट अस मल्टीप्लाई बाय 4. x upon 2 minus y upon 4 equal to 1. This entire equation multiply by 4. So you have 4x upon 2 minus 4y upon 4. तो 4 into 1 सबको 4 से मल्टीप्लाई किया. कैंसलेशन. टू एक्स माइनस वाई इज इक्वल टू 4. Got it? This will become your equation number 4, right? So this will become your equation number 4. Now these are simple equation. अभी ये तो आप सॉल्व कर सकते हो ना. इसको जो भी मल्टीप्लाई करना यू कैन गिव इक्वेशन नंबर 5, इक्वेशन नंबर 6, नो प्रॉब्लम. So you can do it, right? So further thing is homework. In one page when you are starting, the remaining part of the page you leave it, you are going to complete it. Now I will not complete it further. Now some practice you should also have now of the simultaneous equation. So is this part clear? मिस अगर मेरे को ध्यान में नहीं आया, मैंने 8 से मल्टीप्लाई किया तो 2 4 8 करके देखो, यू विल गेट द सेम थिंग. मल्टीप्लाई बाय 8 चलो करते हैं तो. Okay, so 8x upon 2 plus 8y upon 4 is equal to 8 into 1. So what you will get? 4x plus 2y equal to 8. Sorry, not plus, minus. So it will come to same. This and this will come same. You automatically 4x और 4x same आ जाएगा and you can do the subtraction. So ultimately the answer will come same. Do not worry. What is the method? You multiply by दोनों के multiplication. So that you have to remember. Okay. Now let us come to the second question. Second question is easy than this. Second question I have x upon 3 plus 5y is equal to 13 and you have 2x plus y upon 2 equal to 19. So जो भी अकेला डिनोमिनेटर में है उससे मल्टीप्लाई कर दो, इसको तो कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है. ओके, we are little frightened when the denominator comes. So whatever part is in the denominator, multiply with the equation. So multiply equation 1 by 3 and equation 2. This is equation 2, huh? This is equation 2 by 2 because denominator is having 2 na. Okay, so equation number 2 को 2 से multiply करो. So multiply this by 3. See, when you multiply now, you have to be careful. Entire equation you are going to multiply. There you should not make mistake. If you make mistake, you will not even come to know where you have done the mistakes. So each part ना पहले से 3 से multiply करके लिख दो. Okay, don't do direct multiplication. पहले तो ऐसे लिखो. 3 से multiply कर to everything. Now this 3 and 3 got cancelled. So 3 plus 15x is equal to 39. This becomes your equation number 3. Okay, now we are going to multiply this. So what you have here, 2 2s are 4x plus 2y upon 2. 2 से ऐसे लिखो ही, is equal to 2 into 19. So you have 4x plus y is equal to 38. This becomes your equation number 4. Now this equation you can solve further.
This is graded for.
No, not paused. So 4x plus y equal to 38.
Not paused.
Okay, 4x plus y equal to 38. That will become your second equation. So now further solving of equation you know.